Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In this part, we will paint the ground, the debris, and the blades of grass. What you want to do when painting something like this is brew yourself liters of coffee, put on some good music, and get yourself into a painting zone. Grass used to be a challenge for me to paint because of all the details. The colors, the shadows, the highlights, and many more. The easiest way to go about it is to simplify it down to the most basic shapes. You don't need to render every strand of grass. It is far more effective to identify and focus on the highlights and simplify the rest. I do that by starting with the dark shade of the grass or even black, followed by a layer of a lighter shade. I do this in soft patches while blending it to the background to create an illusion of depth and blur. I apply the same technique when painting hair. I'd like to know how you go about it. Please share your approach in the comment section. that looks good enough to me. See you in the fourth and last video of this playlist, where we paint the trees and finalize on everything else.